formidable ally in creating a pleasant working environment, WindRacer. First, I will introduce 3 of the WindRacer special features. Improved efficiency of cooling and heating equipment. By installing a WindRacer in front of an air conditioner outlet, it is possible to extend the efficient delivery of cold or warm air. Drawing in of hot air and steam. The installation of a series of WindRacers allows for the efficient delivery of hot air and steam generated in a factory to ventilation fans. Supply of local air. The WindRacer supplies local air to workers in a hot and humid environment. With these 3 features, you can make a more pleasant factory environment. Scientifically analyze the flow of wind by airflow analysis. We propose installations fit for each location based on WindRacer airflow simulations. Make your factory environment more comfortable with WindRacer.